Leslie Klein, and I accept the challenge of the ALS Ice Water Bucket Challenge from Cheryl Rosen Pratt. I'm doing this in memory of my brother-in-law, Howie Silver, and I am now nominating Dr. Stacy Cutrono, Alicia Cruz, Calvin Alt, Barry Klein, Larry Silver, and Stacy Silver. All right. You have 24 hours to either donate $100 to ALS or do the ice, whatever this is, ice water bucket challenge. Or you
Don't
can
keep
do
moving
both.
closer.
Or you can do both like I did. All right, this is for you, Howie.